This channel has 26,000 subscribers in just 10 videos. This one has 39,000 subscribers in just 11 videos. This one has 158,000 subscribers in just 20 uploads, and this one has 18,000. You can see their earnings on screen. I cannot state the exact figures due to YouTube policy. The best thing about these StickMan videos is that they can be created for absolutely any niche. If you want results like these, get a monetized account so you can start earning from your very first video. I have already prepared all the prompts for this StickMan niche, so you can start right now. Copy the first master prompt and open ChatGPT. Enter the prompt, and you will get 10 ideas for a documentary-style video. Copy the title and enter it into ChatGPT. You'll get the complete script. You can also enter your own idea if you prefer something different. Next, split the window and open a new ChatGPT chat. Go to Notion, scroll down, and you will find the second master prompt for scenes. When you enter this prompt, it will generate a script that is ready for image prompts. Copy the parts from the script one by one and enter each part into the chat. For each specific sentence, you will get a corresponding image prompt. I have kept this prompt separate so that if you already have your own script, you can still use the second prompt on its own. Simply enter your script piece by piece to get image prompts for each part. Then open Flow for image generation. Choose Nano Banana 2 as the model. Generate all the images using the image prompts. As you can see, the images are looking great. Now, one very important thing. Do not use an AI voice for the script. Record your own voice, and also include your own face in the video. If you use an AI voice, AI images, and no human effort at all, YouTube may not monetize your video. In CapCut, I have already added a voice for this example. Import all the images and add them to the timeline. Trim the pauses between the audio clips, and trim the images accordingly to match. It is highly recommended to include a face camera video along with your human voice, so your content is not flagged as inauthentic on YouTube. Also, check out the monetized accounts link below to start earning from your very first video.